The vacuum kit is a manual system used to remove air from our containers. By removing the air, liquid foods such as wine, oil, vinegar, water, fruit juices, concentrates, essential oils, and more avoid alterations and last longer. Due to a simple law of physics, a liquid in a hermetically sealed container cannot escape without a supply of air. This, however, would create alterations to liquid foods. The vacuum kit eliminates this problem by allowing you to totally remove air following each withdrawal of liquid. The kit comes complete with a pressure gauge to monitor the level of depressurization. How it works. 1. Unscrew the metal plug located on the lid of the container. 2. Screw the pressure gauge into the threaded hole on the lid of the container. 3. When you've finished dispensing from the container, attach the pump hose to the pressure gauge. In our case, we want to remove air, so pump until the pressure gauge reads minus 0.4 bar. When you need to dispense some liquid from the vacuum-sealed container, first loosen the knob on the pressure gauge. This will allow air to enter the container, without which the liquid content would not come out. Once you're done, tighten the knob on the pressure gauge and attach the pump to remove the air as described in bullet 3.